Alright, so I'm gonna grab the mini bike and put that banana pipe exhaust on there. Hopefully it'll fit. We'll see. If it doesn't, I'll figure something out. Show you what it sounds like right now. And a little sneak peek. The three-wheeler. We'll do a video on this. Maybe. Has a flat tire, but we might take this out mudding sometime. That's solid. It drives and runs. Alright. Mini bike. Cold start. On is off. Off is on. Choke. Maybe 2 pulls. We'll see. Oh yeah. So that's what she sounds like right now. Try drive one-handed. Alrighty. Kind of a mess. Alrighty. Welded this all up yesterday. I'll chip the slag off and wire brush it all up. Plug that hole. It was like a eco thing. I don't know. But alright, clean this up. Take that exhaust off, put this exhaust on, and see how it sounds. Alright, be right back. Alrighty, kind of cleaned it up. Also, I cut a bigger hole in that. I thought it would just like push more exhaust out, let it be more free flowing. I don't know. We'll see. So took that off. It's not fitting. So what we might do is chop it like right there and reposition this and or figure something out. Alright, so chop it like that. Didn't chop it enough. Might shorten it up and then weld this like that, something. Or just see how that sounds. Shoots fire. That's cool. I don't really know. Neighbors are gonna get pissed off fast. Alright, so what I'm thinking, since it's kind of like a cone, this part just can kind of like slide in there. And we could clamp it down more and then weld it on. And it'll be like sticking out like that. Alrighty, so that's what we got so far. Sorry about the sunlight, but so weld along there and around there, and there's that hole right there. But I think The camera's not focusing, but I think I could trim it down more right there and get a solid bead on there. That took forever. I already know I'm gonna get a bunch of crap for these welds, but this is like an ancient welder, no settings. It just like weld, and it's too hot, so you have to like take it easy, make a bead, let it cool down, make it a bead, let it cool down, make those beads stick. Looks like absolute crap, I know, but it works. It'll work. I promise I will have better welds once I buy a better welder. Once I have money. Okay. Get that cleaned up. Get that on the mini bike. See what she sounds like. And yeah. Oh yeah, and just use my last welding stick. Voila. I call it the banana-ish pipe. Okay. Got it on. Looks kind of goofy. It's whatever. I'm not a professional welder. I just learned how to weld not too long ago. I can use a MIG welder really good. But stick welder, I'm still working on it. And that one has no settings on it. So, yeah. My bad. I'm back. Okay, when I have the time and the money to go out of town and go to Harbor Freight, I'm checking out this flux welder, just an electric flux welder. I could do exhaust stuff, small frame stuff, bumpers, whatever. I don't know, light bars, that type of stuff. And just like a little project welder. Pretty inexpensive, like $215. So let's see how she sounds. Sounds a little bit better. Not bad.